Sonia Anne Menon, and I'm from HEADSTART batch 2021 and 2022. So today I'm going to share what is my favorite thing about the HEADSTART classes. So my favorite class when we actually were taught on how to make a vision board. So the vision board actually promotes positive thinking towards what we want and our goals. So this is my vision board. In this vision board, I've accomplished at least 20% of all of these goals here, such as winning public speaking competitions, teaching my brother, playing the piano, and as well as being nominated as a candidate to get locomoted in my school. So this board is actually one of the most memorable things that I have from these HEADSTART classes, and I'll continue to cherish it forever. And maybe one day in the future, I'll look back at this board and think about the days when I still used to come back from HEADSTART class and how I used to imagine myself in these pictures. Thank you and bye.